Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to the channel. So friends, this video is very good for 22, 21, 23 and 2024 batch because there is a off-campus drive opportunity for 22 and 21 batch, and for the 23 and 24 batch there is official internships opportunity from Reliance and Titan. So the Kirti Technologies is hiring for the 22 and 21 batch. BE, BTech, BCA, MCA, MTech, all branches are eligible for the both opportunity. But in the Kirti Technology, BE, BTech, MCA courses are eligible. All branches are eligible. 4.5 LPA is the salary. Aptitude test is 15 December. No bond, no employment bond is there. Latest hiring. Apply now for this opportunity. Okay, so today I got the mail, yesterday I got the mail that is related to hiring quality assurance engineer Kirti Technologies Private Limited. They just mentioned that the quality assurance engineer is the designation and the package is 4.5 LPA, and there is a first aptitude test of 60 mark. After that there is a coding test, and next there is a group discussion, technical interview and HR interview. Okay, so this is the terms and condition. Candidates will be on probation for 3 months, and during probation the salary will be paid according to the package INR 4.5 lakh per annum. There is no employment bond. So like online recruitment aptitude test on 15 December, last date is 12 December, and test link will be sent to those who will apply for this job role. So when I click this job opportunity, so something like that, it is also available on their official website. When you just go to their official website, there is a careers page, so where you can find lot of opportunities here. According to your experience you can also apply, but they are now currently hiring for the QA engineer, and the minimum qualification for applying is BE, BTech, MCA student, 21, 22 batch. All branches are eligible. Okay, so the other experience is 0 to 2 years, and this is the complete pattern that is related to the opportunity. And a student must clear a few technical tests before joining the company. There are no limitations on the number of attempts. So there is no employment bond. 4.5 is the LPA, a salary. MySQL basic programming and database concept. BE, BTech, they just mentioned that BE, BTech, MCA student. When you click on apply now button, so you have to enter your name, mobile number, email, so your date of birth, current city, current state and permanent location. So in the academic details, if your branch is not mentioned in the particular section, so you have to only mention your branch as others, and you have to mention your branch like computer science, mechanical engineer, IT, and this is the profile details. So you have to apply for this opportunity. Okay, so this is related to the good hiring for the 22 and 21 batch, and this is the next opportunity for the all batches. Grand Indore internships carnival, they just mentioned that find the best winter internship with brands like Reliance, Titan, Book My Show, etc. Okay, so they just mentioned that this is related to like the big brand show toppers are this is related to Reliance, Book My Show, Titan, and this is the VIP entry. Okay, so this is related to that, this is related to the all the internship phase. 2nd to 6th December is participate in the carnival contest, and after that you have to add to your favorite internship. Okay, so in this opportunity good stipend is there, and top MNCs are hiring, top brands are hiring. So apply for this opportunity. This is the good opportunity for all of you. I hope this video is useful for everyone. Thanks for watching the video.